look, my nigga. Dude, it has so many fittings. It's ridiculous, dude. Like, each one of these, if you were to buy, like, a Russell's, you'd be paying $12 a fitting. So this kit right here would probably cost you 600 bucks, dude. Look, it even comes with the Chinesium A.N. wrench. Bro, check this out. A flare tool. Look at that, dude. A fucking flare tool. Like, bro, that shit is gangster. And then, look, a magnetic holding block, dude. Look at that shit. It's magnetic, bro. And then you stick it in the, you can stick it in the vise, so you clamp your AN line in here, and you can put it in the vise, dude. And you got that shit down. Look at that shit, dude. That is just gangster right there. Man, I hate to hate on Chinesium, but this Chinesium might be some good ass Chinesium. We'll have to see. Yeah, look at that, dude. Bam, that's Teflon, dude. Which they call it PTFE, which is the same thing as Teflon. E85 proof, my nigga. So check it out. So let me show you something. This right here. Okay. These are the same fittings as my last video, except I added AN. I took the old ones off, went with AN. I got this on eBay. It didn't fit. It was like too big, so I wrapped electrical tape around it, and now it fits like bolt to the car. If you want to know the part number, wait, is it focusing? Hell yeah. Okay. And then this is the other one. Bam, that's it right there. Yeah, so that's a 12 millimeter by 1.5, and it's 6 AN. And this one right here, so if that one, yeah, if that one's a 12, that means this one's the 14. Boom. Okay, so yeah. And then it comes with all the fittings. This is actually a 30-foot hose. I measured it. I tested the fitting. I kind of scarred it up right here, and that was my fault. And I don't really care. I'm gonna scar up the other ones. I tried wrapping tape around. This thing won't do the trick, because the way the fitting is, it's too wide, look. So when you get the wrench on here, it's too wide. It locks both of them in. You can't do that. You need to just turn this piece, and this piece needs to spin freely. But once you have this thing, like, yeah, once you have this thing locked down, you can't get a wrench in there. It gets super tight. So what I'm gonna do with this, and this is the size you need 11/16. So you shave this down right here, and you can fit it in there. It's too late at night. I didn't shave it enough. I just shaved it barely right here, but I'm gonna shave this wrench down like half the size, and then I'll be able to do my whole lines like that. I'll be able to, turn it and tighten it. Otherwise it don't work. Yeah, and this thing's real easy to use. You just pop it in there. Like, everybody's bitching and complaining about how hard these are on Amazon to install, but honestly, I had no issues. It was just I can help you with the problems. I didn't know what size wrench I needed, because I don't keep standard wrenches. I have like a bag in my garage where I keep wrenches that I don't use. So that's why I'm gonna cut this thing up, because this was gonna go in the trash. I just keep a bag of wrenches. So now 11/16 on here. I tried metric, it doesn't fit. So 11/16 fits perfect. Yeah, these lines, you can watch videos on how to put these in, but it's basically like you basically get the line, you cut a little away, you push this olive thing in, and then you just stick this little tube in here. It's just this space. Yeah, that's it. So look at, boom. That's all you do. So I can even do it one-handed. It's so easy. So yeah, boom, stick that in there. Bam. Oh, and just keep in mind too, like, I was testing the fittings. You can pull this off of this line, but it won't come off like once you connect in here, because the way the fitting works. So once you have it connected, you don't have to worry about it coming off. But actually, for $100, like, this kit is awesome. Like, it's an awesome kit. As long as it don't leak on me, it's gonna be a great purchase. So I'm gonna go install it on the car. I don't think I'm gonna use these. Like, I don't really have any use for it. It's cool that I have them. A lot of people worry about scratching these things up, but too late. I already messed it up. But not really. It's just, I don't care about scratches. I cut my other ones up. I'm not looking pretty. Let me see. Is there anything else about this kit you want to know? Yeah, I wasn't missing anything. Oh yeah, and electrical tape. Make sure you use either Scott's or 3M. because these are the only 2 electrical tapes you want to use in the automotive world, not that bullshit duck stuff that you get at Walmart that don't stick to nothing. No, Scott's and 3M, that's like the real deal right there. So those 2 only. But yeah, here's the wrench it came with. It doesn't protect nothing. This is it's aluminum. That's how actually I messed this up, is I used this right here, and it pretty much gouged the crap out of it. You would think aluminum wouldn't do that. So yeah, it was actually this. But now that I have this, because you need 2 wrenches to do this. You need one to hold this, and then you need one to hold here. So one here, one here. Yeah, it should have came with 2 of these, and it should have came with a thinner one. This sucker is fat. So yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Not really sure.